Hello everyone, this is Vlad from Talissa Decor. Today we're gonna transform these ceilings. These little bathrooms, you can see we have a original 2x4 panels installed. First of all, we're gonna transform the grid. We're gonna convert the 2x4 grid into the 2x2 ones, and then we're gonna resurface the panels, the original panels, with these antique silver tiles. The model number is 237, and the finish is antique silver. So stay tuned. See you in a bit. Okay, welcome back. Now, first of all, we're gonna start by converting the 2x4 grid into the 2x2 ones. First, I'm gonna remove this lamp that's not longer in use anyways. I'm gonna take it out and take this piece also out, and I'm gonna see how I'm gonna insert the 2 feet cross T. Okay, all the 2x4 grids, they have every 6 inches, they have a special hole for the cross tees. I installed the tiles on the back side on purpose. So when I spray paint the grid, I will not gonna paint the face side of the tile. And now we're gonna cut the tile that we took out of that spot. We're gonna cut it in half. Okay, now after converted the grid into the 2x2 and flipped all the tiles, now I'm gonna paint the grid. Before I do that, I would like to cover just to cover the walls. Now using the spray black matte finish, we're gonna paint the grids. That's a good idea to make a break and to cover the light too that I forgot to do. See you in a bit. Okay, and now we get to my favorite part. Now we're gonna install the tiles. Obviously the full tiles go up first. Unfortunately we don't have too many whole tiles, so actually it's only one. Okay, the tiles is in. Now it's gonna be a more tricky part. Now we're gonna install the one that goes under the sprinkler. And now I'm gonna cut the tiles for the sides. Okay, basically one thing I would recommend to do is to install first the full tiles, then do the bigger cuts, and the very small ones at the end. We'll do the last. Usually, a lot of times you can use the scrap pieces, whatever leftovers. There will be enough to cut. Instead of destroying a new tile, we can use the scraps. Well, it's not going to work for all the tiles, but this particular one, because of its a small repeated pattern, it actually, these little scrap pieces will work perfectly for the edges. These are our ceilings about an hour later. As you saw in the video, pretty much the only tools I used to install the tiles were a pair of snips to cut the T-bars, scissors to cut the tiles, measuring tape, ruler, and marker. The change, as you can see, is quite spectacular. If you have any questions, once again, we'd be more than happy to answer them. Please call us, email us, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and see you again. Bye.